Hey, what's up Cardano holders? So this is live price prediction and latest update of Cardano. Today video my friend is absolutely very important because Cardano were fails down in last 24 hour minus 0.27%, and absolutely my friend, you can see here this is last 1 hour and last one day you can see here minus 2.05%, in last 7 days say minus 6.03%. Everybody know this, my friends, to win a coin where fails down, so that's mean, my friends, to the holder are starting selling, and definitely when a holder are starting buying, so the coin will moving upward. On previous days, my friends, Cardano will take a very huge jump, and the price of Cardano, my friend, is hit now 3 USD dollar. The highest profit, my friend, of Cardano is 3 USD dollar, definitely highest price, sorry. And this time, as you can see here, the current price will again falls down to 2.6 USD dollar. So that's mean to 0.4 USD dollar is lost just in only and 10 to 12 days, my friend. Definitely when a holder are starting selling, so the coin will fails down, but definitely when a holders are starting buying, so the coin will move go in the moon now. So therefore I have just only recommend all of you, my friends, who have a plan to invest more in Cardano, who have already invested in, absolutely my friends, if you are invest for a long time, so that's a really great now and very good, my friends, for especially new holders. So this time, my friends, as you can see, this chart is completely show you to the coin will moving in upward direction. So if you better understand, my friend, you can see here 3.09 USD dollar. It's a very huge profit, my brothers. This is not a small profit, but I'm 100% sure to upcoming days also there is a chance, so they will take a very huge jump now. So kindly Cardano holder, please, if you want to earn money in a crypto, you will need to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notifications. See you next time. My opinion is to please hold, share your opinion.